Today we're gonna draw a dog man. In Spanish is hombre perro, but we got the comic. Let's draw it. First, we gotta draw the head. It's just a one up and another one coming down. We just draw it two up and two down. Then we draw the nose. It's just three circles. First we draw the big circles. Then we draw the nose. It's just one big circle. It's just one small circle. Then we just make small circles in the nose. Then we coordinate it, but don't coordinate the small circles. Then we're gonna draw the two ears, 1 and 2. Now we're gonna draw the ones. They're gonna be the eyes. We're gonna draw a small mouth just like that. Now let's draw the hat. Now let's draw a one coming back and then back on. Let's coordinate that. Now we are gonna draw the shirt. There's a one top, then another one bottom, and then connecting the wrist. Now we do the nails. It's just one. Now let's draw the police sign. Now we're gonna draw the legs. Then we're gonna draw the arms. Let's draw it hard. Now let's draw the other piece hard. Let's draw the feet, the legs. Now let's draw the arms. Now let's draw the other one. Now let's draw the ones. That's going to be a big one. Now we're all done with it. We're all done to drawing it. Now we're done the corning. We are just the corning habit. Oopsie. We're the first corning this. We're corning this piece. Then we're going to draw the clouds. A small cloud. Now we're going to do this. We're going to use this to be. We're not going to be coning this. We just got to put that color. We're going to draw a big circle. It's called the sun. Now we're going to draw the ones. Then we're going to paint the sun after we're done doing the sun. What's calling the sun? We're all done doing dog man. Now let's do whatever we need to do after. Then we draw the sun. Then recording the sun, don't forget. Then, what are the who's? Some more lines so we can do the sun. Now, we're going to do a big lump sip. Who's the window? This is going to be the cat. This would be Petey. We're going to do D as a dog. That's how we write Dogman. And P for the cat. We can't write Dogman this head. We are going to put O. D. You don't got eraser. If you don't got eraser and you got eraser in the pencil, you can use it. We're just not the white dog. We just put the button to start. We're doing the stripes because Petey gets stripes. We just need to put the taint. We just need to roll the taint. Now, we are going to roll the other piece. We're going to fix the D.
You fixed the white dog man.
Now we're going to white dog.
Og. Paint the O.
Now we're going to do M. A weird space. Now we're going to do A. Now we're going to do N. His eyes are just is white. Thank you, but subscribe to the video. Please subscribe to the video. See you in the next channel. Goodbye.